This lawn was done. Dead grass, no life, no hope. But Father Nature doesn't back down from a challenge. We started by removing all the dead turf, clearing the way for a total reset. Then we installed a full irrigation system designed to keep this lawn lush and healthy no matter the weather. We added premium brown metal edging to define the space, strong, clean, and built to last. Fresh topsoil went down next, and then came the new lawn, green, even, and ready to grow. Fresh plantings were added to really set this project off. Topped it off with mulch installation to lock it all in and finish the look. Start to finish, this yard was completely reborn. This is more than just landscaping. This is what Father Nature does best. If your yard needs saving, you already know who to call. Father Nature. Turning messes into masterpieces so you can enjoy life outdoors.